CS certificate level information technology multiple choice question practice serial 41 to 50. Multiple choice questions number 41. Analytical engine is considered as the first mechanical computer, or analytical engine is considered as the first digital computer. Which one is correct? Number A. Analytical engine is considered as the first mechanical computer. Question 42. ENIAC is the first mechanical computer, or ENIAC was the first generation of computer. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. ENIAC was the first generation of computer. Question 43. The world's first programmable general-purpose electronic computer was ENIAC or Apple Macintosh. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. The world's first programmable general-purpose electronic computer was ENIAC. Question 44. IBM's personal computer released in 1981 or 1984. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. IBM's personal computer released in 1981. Next question 45. The first microcomputer was Apple Macintosh or IBM PC. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. The first microcomputer was IBM PC. Next question 46. Apple's Macintosh released in 1979 or 1984. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Apple's Macintosh released in 1984. Next question 47. The first computer with GUI was IBM PC or Apple Macintosh. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. That's been the first computer with graphical user interface was Apple Macintosh. Question 48. Microsoft Windows launched in 1985 or 1995. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Microsoft Windows launched in 1985. Next question 49. The World Wide Web launched in 1989 or 1985. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. The World Wide Web launched in 1989. Last question of this episode is the World Wide Web WWW is an information system that allows the transmission of information between a web server and a client, or enables content sharing over the internet. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. The World Wide Web WWW is an information system that enables content sharing over the internet. Thank you very much. This is the end of this episode, and we have passed serial question 41 to 50 in this episode.